Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to set up a mobile hotspot. In the beginning, swipe down notification bar, make sure that Wi-Fi and mobile data are enabled, and then select hotspot. If the hotspot is not available here, edit, and add new features like hotspot. Select it, tap and hold on it, and here you can manage device name, password, scan to connect, connected devices, security and more. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.